The grape variety's been around for 350, 400 years, and it's been made in the sparkling style for around about 150. In northern Italy, the wines are made in table wines, just normal wines like we would associate with Riesling or Sauvignon Blanc, but they also make it into these frizzante or full spumante or sparkling wines.
Our Banksdale vineyard is situated in the King Valley. It is in what is classified a cool grape growing climate, and usually a very reliable growing season, longer growing season, cooler nights, not so hot days, so it helps the grapes to ripen over perhaps a longer period of time whilst retaining their natural acidity but also developing some intensity of flavour that we're looking for in Prosecco.
The variety does do well in the King Valley, and in terms of temperature, rainfall, all of those climatic factors do line up reasonably well with where the wine is grown traditionally in the northeast of Italy.
It's naturally low acidity, but nonetheless in a cooler climate like Banksdale, it really does manage to retain quite a lot of that acidity, so that when we do make the wine at a relatively low sugar level, we do manage to retain that nice crisp minerality. We get nice sort of lemon flavours, which are quite, lemon and citrus, which are quite evident in the grapes during the ripening process. This is about a week away from harvest now. Still quite tart, but by the same token we just like that balance between flavour and acidity at the time of harvest.
Well, Prosecco is a wine that's made in a fairly delicate sparkling wine style, so we're not looking for a lot of ripeness or maturity or sugar in the fruit. What we're actually looking for is a balance between retaining some acid. It's a variety that doesn't have as much acidity in it as some of the traditional sparkling varieties like Pinot Noir. So when we're making Prosecco, we're looking at retaining some of the acidity, and we're also looking at the point where we develop some lovely, delicate apple sort of fruit flavours.
The culture of Italy is to really kick off that meal with something that's fresh and zippy and racy and exciting, and Prosecco really ticks all those boxes.